I will sing along. If you should happen to play in E, oh, I will sing along. Even if you should play in D, I will sing along. But don't play in a minor key, 'cause I won't sing along. I want